Okay, now we're going to do example 2, guys. And this is a little bit easier for a lot of us. You know, when you're in a circumstance like this and you don't even want to find one variable to multiply both, maybe you can just switch the constants, so just the coefficients, guys. And if you have one for x, just put that one on the bottom and down to the top. And you just decide which one you want to cancel. If you want to cancel the x's or the y's, you just switch those and make sure that we end up with a negative number. So let me see if we can go through here just a little bit. Let me come back to this. So let's say we have this, guys. Okay. Let's see. There we are. So what I'm going to do, guys, let's so we can see. I want to rewrite this. So let's say we have 3x plus 4y equals to negative 22. Okay. Then I'm going to have negative 2x, and they're all lined up, as you can see. The y's with the y's, and 3y equals to negative 8. So the key here is what do you want to cancel? The x's or the y's. And here it seems like it will be easier to cancel the x's if you can do that. So let me show you, okay? So you're going to change only the numbers, only the coefficients, okay? Don't carry the x. So I'm going to switch everything here. And I'm going to put the 3 down here and the 2 up here, okay? Now, do not put a positive or negative because you already have one right there. That would change the whole thing, okay? That would change everything because you're going to multiply here, here, oops, sorry, here, and all the way over here. Okay, sorry, okay, and all the way over here, okay? Same here. You do the same thing. You're going to go once, twice, 3 times, okay? So, just be patient, guys. It's really, really easy. Once you get in here, then you're going to see that you're going to get like different equations, but they're not. They're just like blown up. So you're going to have 6x plus 8y, the top one. And then 2 times negative 22 will be negative 44. Okay. Now watch the next one. Well, we get the negative 6x. Thank goodness that's what we wanted. So we can cancel the x's. And then we go 3 times 3 is 9. So we got plus 9y. And then 3 times negative 8 will be negative 24. Okay. Now, that's what we needed. What we're going to do right now is add it. So we're going to add. So I'm going to here, I'm going to add. And if we do that, we're going to cancel right there. That's what we needed to do in the first place. And then we're going to add right here, and we're going to get 17y. See, 8 and plus 9 equals 2. And I think that would be 68. And it was going to be negative, as you can see that, okay? Oops, sorry. Let me erase that just a little bit. Let me see if I can erase that right here. Okay. I'm going to go back, and I want to make sure that's equal. And I'm going to make sure that this one is labeled negative right there, okay? Okay. With that in mind, then let's see if that can scroll down. Nope, no, it doesn't. Okay, so it does not matter there, guys. What we need to do is divide both sides by 17. Okay, so let me just go here. Okay, and I'm going to divide. So now what I have right there is 17y. So let me just go up here just a little bit right there. And I'm going to go, okay, so what I have here is 17y equals to negative 68. And I'm going to divide both sides by 17. And if I do that, if I divide both sides by 17, I'm going to get y equals to negative 4. Ta-da! Now, with this in mind, guys, I'm going to use that 4 and substitute it to get my x value. And I can try to substitute it back into the original equations. To me, I will substitute it right about here. See this one right there? It will be easier. I'm going to just put my y right here. And if I was to do that, it will be real nice, guys. It will be easier. So that will be negative 12, and then I will add that to the negative 8, and I will get an answer. So let me see if I can get something to make it nicer. We got y equals negative 12. And then let me see if I can get this. Let me get a whiteboard here. And I'm going to see, okay. That's work with me, guys. I know this it's just nice to have blow it out in a different format. Okay. So I'm going to come here and if I remember correctly, and I'm going to check just in case, it is negative 2x plus 3y equals to negative 8. Okay, so let me see if I can work with this. Okay, so it's negative 2x. So I'm going to go negative 2x plus 3y equals to negative 8. I believe when y equals to negative 4. Okay. If that is true, I need to substitute in there. So I just want to make sure that I have the right value and the right equation, right? So let me see. Let me see. So it's negative 2x plus 3y. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my right there, and I'm going to substitute. I'm going to grab this negative 4 right there, guys. I'm going to substitute it right there. So what I have here, guys, is negative 2x plus 3y equals to negative 8. And guess what? Of course, this is going to be, oh boy. Okay, sorry, I pressed something that I shouldn't have pressed. Let me close that out and let me go back. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to put a negative 4 right here. Okay, so finally, guys, I'm going to have negative 2x plus, let me check, minus 12, right, guys? Minus 12 equals to negative 8. Well, that's easy. I'm going to add 12 to both sides, 12 to both sides. And I'm going to say, well, this is gone. And I got negative 2x equals to positive 4. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. And I got the x equals to negative 2. Isn't that cool? So my answer, once everything is done, I got to put the x first and then that one. So it's going to be negative 2, negative 4. That would be my answer back in my equation over here. So when I got negative 4 right there, guys, then I substitute back in there and it should give me x negative 4. So let me just go back here and I'm going to go, let me see if I can get, oops, I need to make it just a little bit smaller so I'm able to work with that. So, oops. Yeah, let me see if I can get this one. And I want to erase everything. So with this in mind, guys, let me see if I can get to the next page. So if I get that right there, as I got that, then I substitute it back in there, guys. I was able to get, again, the answer should be, after we substitute this right there into any of the x's. So we were supposed to get, I think it was negative 2, negative 4, once you substitute it in there. And that's what we got. Okay. Alrighty. I hope that worked for us.